In this video, captured by a smart doorbell camera, a man stands at the front door, looking anxious and stressed. He explains to the homeowner that he's been waiting for his Uber, but his phone is dying. The situation seems worrisome as they engage in a conversation that's clearly not going well.
Can I help you? Hello, I can help you? Hello? How are you looking for? Hello? Hello? Hello, I can help you. I see you in the porch. I can help you. What do you want? I can see you in the porch. What do you need it? At the front door.
Oh, hi. I'm all like.
Hi, what do you need?
I'm just waiting for my Uber.
For your Uber?
Yeah, Uber.
You can stay to my porch.
Huh?
You can stay. It's a property. It's a private property. You don't live in my house.
I'm not being disruptive.
You can stay in my porch. It's private property. Please, out of my house. Out of my house. I called the police.
The video abruptly cuts as he grabs the doorbell camera, leaving us in suspense about what happened next. This video, recorded by a Ring camera, reveals a tense situation. 4 hooded teenagers quietly approach an apartment door, and the danger of the situation becomes evident. The hooded teens successfully breach the apartment, accompanied by a few others. The tension escalates as they enter the premises, and one young man's face emerges from the shadows, clearly visible, adding to the unease. This video highlights how peril can unexpectedly creep into our daily lives, emphasizing the importance of security and vigilance in our surroundings. An unidentified, seemingly dazed person tries to enter a home, sending shivers down the homeowner's spine.
Who are you? Hey man, what you doing?
Man,
Yeah, you're in the wrong house, man.
apologize.
You're in the wrong house. Yeah, you're in the wrong house, man. Bye.
Get away from the window. Get away from the window. Get away from the window. Yeah.
Hey man, what you doing? What you doing, man? Hey, that's my yard. Get out my yard, bro. Huh? Alright, bye. Get out my yard, bro. Go on, man, with that shit.
This unsettling moment serves as a stark reminder to always be cautious and alert when faced with unfamiliar situations. Imagine this, a video captured by a Ring camera. In it, a lady stands right at someone's front door, desperately trying to reach someone. But here's the twist. She's at the wrong house.
Call them.
In this video, we see something quite unusual. So this lady is just minding her business when suddenly, a man decides to pay an uninvited visit to her house. Uh-oh, that's really not safe, is it? But here comes the twist. Her furry friends, the dogs, turn into heroes.
Oh yeah. Hey, I was wondering if I could would I be able to use your which part of which side of Minneapolis am I on?
What do you need?
Which side of Minneapolis?
In the end, the lady's okay, thanks to her barking buddies. In this video, a person appears very upset, as if they're absolutely sure that some mysterious force, maybe the FBI, is chasing after them. They're acting quite strangely, and it's hard not to be concerned about their mental state.
Help me up!
It's a bit like a mystery, but there's danger in not knowing what's really going on. Down in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida, an interesting scene unfolded. A vigilant gentleman, fed up with porch pirates, caught one in the act, attempting to snatch his cherished bike.
Hey, you wanna die? You wanna die? Stupid. Take it. No, take that. Take that. I'll you. Take it. Come back, I swear to God. I'm not home, but come back. Take it.
There's a daring guy strolling up to someone's house, and without a second thought, he throws a big rock. It smashes through the windows in a loud, glass-shattering crash, causing destruction and chaos in a mindless act of vandalism.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Hey! Hey! Get your ass over here!
Get over here!
There's a man snoozing on the sofa, lost in slumber. But here's the chilling part. The door behind him mysteriously swings open, all on its own. Who or what could be responsible? It's a real nail-biter, and it's like something straight out of a horror movie. What do you make of this eerie occurrence? In a spooky house, something unusual was caught on tape. A mysterious guy shows up, and it freaks out the person who lives there. Then, a brave dad steps in to save the day.
Okay, turn around and get the out of my house. I'm just walking up. I'll get you.
Out of here!
Picture this. It's a dark and eerie night, roughly around 2 a.m. The star of our show is a fellow, not quite himself, holding something mysterious in his hand. Now, that's where the danger creeps in. Nothing good usually happens at 2 a.m., right? In this video, a spooky scene unfolds. A mysterious man, shrouded in shadows, looms at the front door. His words are like an eerie melody, disturbing and unsettling.
Hey G, I know you see me right now. I heard you like to hit women, bro. I got news for you, buddy. You hit the wrong girl last night, homie. I'm gonna be here every day until you answer the door, I promise you. And I'm not the one you want, homie. I'm a real Italian gangster. I'm gonna treat you as such.